Love the sisters. I'm sure a lot of us have sisters too that we love and think about the same way. The next act that we have are Sayers Berkey and Eleanor Hendrickson playing Tarantella together. This song, I know in Challenge 3, it's about an event that just happened, and so if you can be, it's more of a lament and very serious, and so if you can be getting into that mindset, yeah, please give him a hand.
Today, we're here to commemorate death. So we thought we could play a kind of a mournful song to just honor this memory. In Challenge 3 today, we witnessed a murder. Our dear friend, Polonius, was slain. And therefore we claim sad lament for our dear departed friend. Excuse my eyes. His murderer will be Hamlet, will be put on trial in a couple weeks, so just pray for that trial, for justice, for the crimes that we witnessed being committed. And Polonius, we dedicate this song to you.